Exercise 8, we have discarding an asset that's not fully depreciated. Okay, so it says on March 31st, Alternative Landscapes discarded equipment that had a cost of $20,000. Accumulated depreciation as of December 31st, 2013 was $18,000, and assumed annual depreciation is $2,000. Okay, so the cost was $20,000. Accumulated depreciation through 2012 was $18,000, and annual depreciation was $9,000. No, $2,000. All right, so we're looking at March 31st. So the first thing we have to do is update depreciation. All right, so to update depreciation, we need to calculate and record depreciation expense from January through March 31st. So that's 3 months worth of depreciation. Well, if our annual depreciation is $2,000, we're going to take $2,000 times 3 out of 12. Okay. So that's going to give us annual depreciation of $500 for this year, from January to March. So that's our depreciation for this year. So we're going to take depreciation expense and debit it $500 and credit accumulated depreciation $500. Okay, to update depreciation on equipment. Then we will dispose of the asset. So then March 31st, we're going to dispose of the asset. All right, so we know we want to get the asset off of our books, so we're going to credit the equipment for $20,000. All right, and then we're going to debit accumulated depreciation. All right, so when we do accumulated depreciation, this was our expense in 2013. So we're going to take that accumulated depreciation of $18,000 that was already accumulated through 2012 and add in the $500 we just recorded and updated, and that's going to give me $23,000 in accumulated depreciation. Okay, so that's my accumulated depreciation over here. Now, I have accumulated depreciation. Nope, that's not right. So it's not $23,000. It's $18,500. I knew that didn't look right because you would have known it didn't look right if you had accumulated depreciation more than the cost of our asset here. So our accumulated depreciation was $18,500. So now you see our debits and credits don't balance, right? So I need a debit over here of the difference, okay? So $1,500, and this is going to be my loss on disposal. If it were a credit, it would be a gain, okay? I mean, I'd have to sell it. Anytime we're disposing of an asset that's not fully depreciated, we're going to have a loss on our disposal, okay? That's just the way it's going to work. If you have any questions on this, post your question in the discussion board or send me an email.